Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and I got a watch face that just might be for you. Stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got an awesome watch face I think you might like. I'm going to say it again, I think you might like, right? Now this is a premium watch face. The name of it is called Rich Kids, right? Now if you look at the watch face, you can see already that this is a premium watch face. 24 karat gold animation. Don't ask me how they get that in there. It says premium 24 karat animation background. So I guess it's got a gold background. It says it has a pure gold sleek design business. This is for the business life. So I don't know if you can use this if you're not in the business life, if you're not owning a 4K business. I'm not sure. You might want to take a look at your status. And on top of that, what I like about it most is that you get 24/7 support and you get weekly updates. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. Now, my question to you is when are you going to download this? You got to let me know. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. You got to let me know when you're going to download it. The other thing is, now you be mindful. Just be mindful and open-minded about this. Now, it says, if it's too much for you, did you hear that? If it's too much for you, then it's not for you, right? Can't put it no plain, no more blunt than that. It makes sense to me, okay? So that's gonna be it for this video. Listen, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to the ATM. I gotta pull out some money so I can go download this awesome watch face. Listen, stay tuned for Triple Play Saturday. It will be here tomorrow, and I got an awesome lineup. Ladies, I got something coming for you too as well, so look for it. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy, have fun, party like it's 1999, but most of all, be safe. All right, you all, I see you all at the next video. Take care, have fun.